Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, and if your rear power windows do not work guys, we'll show you how to fix that. Stay with us, we'll demonstrate how the rear windows do not work on that Lincoln MKX, we'll explain what it could be and how to fix it. Most likely guys, it's either a bad fuse or it's a bad switch guys. And first thing, always check the fuse. That's the cheapest and easiest thing to do. And it's actually a special fuse for the rear windows, and you have two fuses for the front windows. If you have problems with the front windows, we'll explain that. We have the video on the channel, check it out. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car guys and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and let's start on the problem now. So we have a 2009 Lincoln MKX, and I'll demonstrate how the power windows on the back do not work at all guys. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, turn the key on. Okay, like that. Now check it out. I'm going to press the buttons. Okay. Nothing happened guys, nothing. So how you fix that? We'll turn the ignition off and I'll show you guys which fuse you need to check for that now. So if you come down guys, up to here, okay, by the park brake pedal, we already pushed our in, so we have more room. Okay, let me show you guys what we have now here. We have one cover that we need to remove. You slide that thing over to the front, pull that cover out. Now the fuse that we need to check guys, it's a little bit, okay, it's a little bit hidden guys, and it's huge fuse. Okay, we'll have it listed in the description of the video below guys. Check out if you need to buy a replacement one. We'll have the link so you can see where we buy ours from. Pull it out. Okay, pull that. It's the only fuse like that. Pull it out. I'll go ahead, it's a 30 amp fuse. Okay, circuit breaker fuse. I'll go ahead, grab a new one now. Okay, and replace it now guys, and see if that will take care of the problem. Now I'll recommend to install your cover now. Don't leave it for later, because if you do guys, you may forget and lose it or break it, step on it. So I'll turn the ignition on and we'll see if that take care of the problem now. Okay, so window. Okay, you can see the left one works, the red one works as well with no problem. So thank you for watching guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.